Hello and welcome to the Python crash course. To begin, open up your browser and head over to this URL. You will find the URL on the description box of the video also. Now once you have clicked on that link that takes you to the starting REPL, you should see something look like this. And the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and click on the fork button. What this is going to do is it's going to create a version of the same REPL that you will be see working in this video. But in this case you will able to edit it. Okay, so if you want to save the work that you are doing, I recommend signing up to REPL. It's completely free, and then you will have to see a record of all the code that you have written throughout the course. In this course you will able to coding along with me on REPL and completing a whole bunch of interactive coding exercises in our REPL classroom. Now when we level up to the intermediate stage, I'll be going to show you how to install a local Python code editor. But until then, we want to get up and running with coding straight away. Okay, so we are going to be using REPL for the first couple of days. So pause the video now and create your first REPL account. And once you have signed in, then you can actually go ahead and edit the name of the REPL or add a brief description, and you will be able to access it later on through the My REPLs folder. Now once you have done that, then let's go ahead and walk along some of the different parts of REPL that we will be using. First, on the left hand side, you will see a panel. Here you have got some files, and you can see the current file that is open is this Python file here, and you can create new files or you can create new folders, and later on we'll be using these features to organize our code. Now the other part of the left hand side panel that's really helpful is the setting tab here. Okay, and I generally prefer to code using a darker background. It's slightly easier on my eyes, especially when you are working on at night, and I recommend everybody to switch their font size up to large. This just make it so much easier to identify mistakes and any type of typos you make. Now we're going to leave everything else as it is, and you can click on the setting button to collapse that panel so that you can end up with more space of writing code. And in this area here, you can see where we're going to doing that. Okay, all of your codes is going to go inside here, and once we have done with writing our code, we'll click run, and it will execute the result of our code will come up over on the console in the right.